With that, we are kickstarting with the presentation session. We now invite Mr. Brajesh Nahar, Chief Operating Officer, APL Apollo Coated Steel, for presentation on topic NAYI SOCH with next generation steel building solution, build better, build faster. Mr. Brajesh Nahar is the Chief Operating Officer of APL Apollo Building Products Private Limited. Simga, overseeing plant operations with nearly 40 years of experience in industrial engineering and plant operations, including 30 years specializing in steel industry. He has spearheaded key initiatives in cost optimization, productivity enhancement, yield maximization, and energy efficiency, earning multiple accolades for his efforts. Prior to joining ABPL, he held leadership roles at prominent organizations including Tata Steel, Bhushan Steel Limited. Can you please have a round of applause for him?
So I'm Brajesh, already introduced my organization. I'm from APL Apollo. Now I would like to tell not many things about the APL Apollo. We'll start and then we see the product and quickly and manufacturing at all over almost similar locations. We have got our tagline is NAYI SOCH, next generation building solution. Resulting into the build better and faster. That is what this tagline we are carrying, and then we are going for APL Apollo believes in three aspects which are very important for the survival of ideal university. That is the decarbonization, sustainability, and the infrastructure development. So, by way of providing the all products which are required for the infrastructure, we are serving, and also in in the time of my state edition, you will see that in the field of decarbonization, we have done a lot of work, and sustainability also we are working very hard to sustain the. This is the panoramic view of our Raipur plant, wherein you got almost 600-acre land is there, and capacity is almost 1 million ton. That we are enhancing to 1.5 million ton. You can see the journey of a company started in 1986, and then we are running, and we are now, our presence is there almost in the tubular product. You are leading nationally as well as international level also, whereas in the freight product, we are entering the market with very branded products. You can see the potential in the India now. You can see the last 6 years data and next 6 years in the field of various infrastructure development like air out. India will have almost 150 new airport now onwards, 24 onwards. Plan to build 2,500 hospitals, expected 1 billion square feet commercial workspace, and the metro project is there, 70 million new houses are there, and 2,500 new tuition police are there. You can see at Apollo building in structural plant, and now we are entering into the black product already in Parrot with almost a capacity of more than 1.5 million. 75 registered trademarks are here. There are 16 patented products that are discussed in the ground, 55% market share in the group, and the capacity of total group, APL Apollo group, is almost 4.3 million ton. You can see the other side, you've got the this distribution channel is there, and we have got almost more than 1 lakh fabricators which are associated for carrying out their duty. Then this is the same thing which I'll cover. We own plant 4.3 million ton, and we have got our presence in 30 countries. APL Apollo is working more for the agile. Our core, this thing is there. Sustainability of the country is there. We have been recognized. You can see on the right hand side, it has been recognized as a most sustainable company. Where the product which we are introducing in the market is the chopper plane which are placing the wooden, and almost through this thing we are able to save almost 150,000 trees a year. Energy, that is very important nowadays. We have already started taking the solar power 56 megawatt. Our Raipur plant is fully green, I would say, because that solar plant it is getting to what our requirement. At the same time, there are 30 electronic vehicles there. Electrical vehicles are there, carrying the almost 100 metric ton, and whatever inbound and internal movement which we are doing, it is through the vehicle. Then green power is there, 33% of total, and in area what we are utilizing, it is fully green. And plantation area almost you can see 54,000. Water harvesting, that is very important nowadays to get the water. We almost developed 70,000 kiloliter and 75,000 kiloliter rainwater harvesting all we have put in our plant. So through which we are getting recirculating the water and which we are collecting through the rains. We call ourselves green because you can see the safety of our team, the well-being of the environment, the fairness in the government's employment, positive atmosphere is there. Social responsibility, we are supporting many CSR projects and supporting sports, which you have seen all over India, that many sports we are sponsoring. Steel building, why steel building is good as compared to the concrete? You can see the advantage, the technical also on the right hand side. Whereas if you see, you find clear recycling is there because we are now going for so 3R is there. So if you see the easy to prefabricate, I-1 ratio and lighter as compared to this. So the conclusion is that based on the research, that you could say almost 60% emission what we are doing with the concrete. Now in the two-bag use, what is required in the construction industry is the steel quality, cost and environment. And the cupola construction is one way to get R4, and that is how we can build better and build faster. Aporo is working on this concept. The application you can see are over all field infrastructure and on the areas you can see that these are the area where our product is being utilized. This is a very typical case I would like to highlight that steel tube versus the conventional RCC. If you see the total time, it is 8 days slave, whereas if you are going for the concrete, it takes almost 24 days slave. So almost selling of 16 days. And besides, there are many advantages in terms of space and other things out there. These are the Dupler designed in an airport. You can see nowadays, or internationally, whether in India or outside, they are going for more and more use of Dupler product in the airports. There you can see infrastructure projects are there, where maximum utilization of tube products are there. And this is a redevelopment of railway station. I've seen that, I told you that a lot of development is taking place in the railway station. Almost 300 railway stations are going to be modernized. The time to count. You have started with this through thing, where the complete redevelopment it is being led by the state. We can see the 6 area hospitals are there on the Kinder Court also. Then Silok Hospital. I'll just show pictures. Then Mumbai Hospital Zoo, you can see that is also placed on the tube product. That tube construction. Globally, if you see all over world, people they have started utilizing, and the concept is getting more and more popularity in India also. Now you can see this. There are 16 registered patent affected laboratories. Various processes of tube we are manufacturing. I'll just show in the slides how this finished substances are being utilized for industrial and infrastructure development. Some of the application is there. You can see these are all tubular product. The right hand and left hand side, the application is there. Then our brand is there, Amitabh Bachchan and Akshay Kumar here with our brand with this cutting tape product. You can see the application. This is also lot of application is there, thereby we are saying no to cutting the trees. The lot of trees is being cut to make the various structure required for the building. These are also elliptical. The plank is most important is the plank, which is replacing the roofing, staircase, and you can see the new application here in transformer also. The things are the electric group and the gates, mainly the fancy gates are utilized for making the fence. Now this is also choker, the double door and single door choker we are manufacturing, and in tiles we are replacing the wood. And aesthetically it is better because whatever color required you will make the color. Then handrails, we can see the handrails who has utilized for the right, and in the wood is utilized for making the headrails. Now you made that shape, you can see the shape also. And there is alpha product is there. There is also, you can see the shape is just like the a straight line of shape is there. Then the important is the 4 door frames which you are manufacturing to cater to the needs of the construction industry. And the paper is there for road blockage. And the fence, I fence, you can see it is also a special cross section made out of tubular product. And see left hand side, then see on the right hand side. And there is a special signature product is there. There is also a special product there. This is various application I would like to say. Now the most innovative things which we are doing is in the solar structure. Now our product is being fairly in place in the summit. You can see the shades which are made out of tubular product. No metal roofing sheets. Now we have introduced the concept where roofing is not required, just put the solar panel. So we are providing all sorts of support in the solar panel to replace the roofing. This is, you can see the actual application of roofing less and solar structure. PPGI for the solar structure. Now we have started propagating this concept, and to a large extent we are getting the success in the solar industry wherein the complete base and whatever support structures are required that we are supplying with the color-coated sheets, color-coated tubular product. Why KPGI for solar? There are many distinct advantages of this thing. So you can see there are 5 durability, accession, performance in terms of properties, environment, I think safe, versatile, and dual weather protection. Galvanic protection as well as the power generation protection. So these are our product. We are always believing in going for the trust with the customer, and we have propagated the concept of rating. So you can see in all product, we have got the branded product, pre-painted edging, there are coral, jumbo, scuffs, and the pre-painted lines, we have got the under Pagio, and the lines is this, whereas MS is Apollo plain, whereas the bare element, bare penetrant is rim tough and the check. So here these are the product for the coated product, clay product. Now there are many Epirepolo is covers for binary the new and newer product. You can see these are the product which we are manufacturing first time in India. We have successfully commissioned this 1,040 mm pipe. Nobody could imagine that sort of pipe it will be available in India. So the first 1,040 mm pipeline we are going to start production after a month or so in the Mumbai, and we'll be starting the production of this name. So And then you got already find it up to 20 with there also, that is the highest in India also. That you can see the last bottom is there. We have developed all sort of color. You can see that interface, you can see the marble finish, you can see the other sort of finishes which are required for aesthetic, which we are manufacturing. And even the tricolor or Indian national flag, the tricolor also you produce almost a year back. So this is the total 1 billion ton breakup of the plant, Paipu plant, one of the out of a given location, one plant is there. That is the almost 1 million ton capacity. You can see the freight product is 41,000, whereas the tube product is 44,000. This is all product age is there, auto section and thread product which we are manufacturing. You can see these are the product which we are manufacturing at the Raiku plant. All tubular as well as the weight product. Now we have introduced this Coran brand. This is the first time in India we are introducing Coran brand, having the warranty of almost 15 years. Warranty which we are providing. You can proof of it there, Gumbo is there. And then many more products you can see, I discussed already. Then product, the people who are not so much aware about the coating, you can see how the coating it is done. What is the best there is there of the metal, then they are putting in coating, then in treatment, then primer, then the top or bottom coat, rear coat coating, and the guard film which you are putting into that product. So the product, after this, when it is reaching to the customer, it has got all sort of properties as well as the quality is there. So these are the various special, I would say, the special student taste through which our product is passing. You can see, if you see the people, other critical care, 100 of care sending the product, whereas or material which is passes through 150 years. So that way, if you see the other things also, it is more stringent than other competitors. Hence, our product is definitely superior as unfavorable or competitors. And this is the new concept which you started is the color coated purlins. You know, purlin is the support structure in the building. When they below the roof providing the support. So we are manufacturing all sort of color in the purlin. We are manufacturing the coil. They are giving it to our applicators. They are preventing with the purling. You must have seen that in our audio video also, that early it has been how it is manufactured and how it is being utilized. The aesthetic is there, sustainability is there. As far as the system is concerned, we are fully integrated management system. It is in place. ISO 9000, 40,000, 45,000, and then CE certification for the tubular product as well as for the freight product. This is the first time that we'll be getting, we have already received this freight product CE certification so that we can easily export to all over world. And these are the GIS applications. We are fully equipped to compete as far as the domestic selling is concerned. The company is equipped with GIS certification for all our products. These are the product approval. You can see few pictures are there and few names are there where our product is well accepted and being utilized for various projects. Then awards, Sustainability Award, Trusted Brand, Sustainability Award, Excellence in Marketing, and the Best Company, the Construction for steel pipe, and the Bandley Company of the Decade. These are the few awards which has been received by the company. And this is the CSR activity which we are carrying. You can see the pictures. We are celebrating the quality date, we are celebrating the safety, and we are participating in most of the conferences, national level, all conferences we are participating. This is what headwinds are there inside and outside. And this is the environment, social governance. If you see, there are treatment action steps are there. EV vehicle, you can see left-hand side bottom is the EV vehicle, which are carrying our involved in the internal movement, 100 capacity packs are there. On the right-hand side, you can see that 70,000 kiloliter to and 75 kiloliter to rainwater harvesting ponds which we built inside the plant to cater the requirement of water. And lot of tree plantation, you can see juniper tree plantation. And the way forward is that, yes, we are going for, already discussed, thousand. The breaking solar also, we have got our one company, solar company, which are getting to the need of solar plant. Peter Doi system, NAPL, yes, that is also important. That our lead is next 2 months, our lead, quality lead is going to be the having the accreditation from the NAPL, national, recognized by the national level. Then 5 years we have already started. GRIA station and EACS, we have been a lot of things. And they are the our brand new Visika and the products, you will see. Different products are there, and along with the branding Visika of Avita Bachchan and the Akshay Kumar. That is what it is. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening to me.